Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Brunei. The link and coupon will be in the description. Copy coupon and click on link boyoflight.com and open this web page and write Brunei. Alright, and click on this. Open new page and settings this eSim high speed 4G 5G data. Keep your WhatsApp number and activation under 5 minutes, alright? And select choose data type, unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited data and choose a speed plan light or plus. I recommend plus plan and select your days. I select 30 days and select amount eSIM, 1 eSIM, 2 eSIM, 3 eSIM. I select 1 eSIM and click on buy it now. Open new page and write discount code ROAM tips, this name my channel, and click on apply. Alright, order discount ROAM tips $52. Yes, very good. And click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write contact mail, write payment data and billing address and click on pay now. And open new page and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code and instruction activation, and eSIM is work. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me.